So welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to see the XPath access method. So the access method which we have chosen for now is following and following sibling. So the following method, it selects all the nodes that appear after the current or context node. Say for suppose you have chosen a particular node in the web page, so all the nodes that are following that particular selected node by you will appear using the following method. Okay, and format is somewhat like this, previous to the other access methods. So / tag name, and then attribute is equals to value, and then / following, and then 2 colons, and then tag name. Okay, so similarly we have the following sibling. So the following sibling, it selects all the nodes that have the same parent as the context node and appear after the context node. Okay, and the format goes like this. So let us show you the real life example of this over the website. Then only you'll be able to understand it very clearly. Okay, so let's move on to the website. So I'm sorry. So yeah, this is the Salesforce developer.salesforce.com or the salesforce.com, and start my free trial page. Okay, so inspecting this particular web page, I'm clicking on the inspect button, and then country and region I am selecting. So this is the select tag, and we have a lot of option tag inside this. Okay, so let me press the Control F. So I'll now show you that what basically following and following sibling are. So you'll get to know very clearly by this particular drop down menu. So that is why I have selected this. So /, and then we have the option tag. We have option, and we need to write value is equals to. So let us click over it again. It has vanished. Okay, so option value is equals to, let us select lower value. Okay, let us select VI. Okay, so we are going to select the VI. Value is equals to single inverted VI. So you can see that this Virgin Island is selected. Okay, so VI, it has been selected. So this is one of one, but as soon as we write following, and then colon, and then suppose I want to see that how many option tags are following this particular VI option tag. Okay, VI. So you can see the very next option tag got selected, and there are 42 option tag over this complete web page which are below this VI option tag. Okay, this is what following tells us. Okay, so you can see that I'll navigate through all of them, or some of them. You will see that what I mean. Okay, so this was the VI tag, and the first tag which is following this VI option tag is WF, and the second is EH, third is YE, fourth is ZM, and the fifth is ZW. So let us navigate. See, it is going down. So it moved more down. Okay, so this was our reference node or the selected node, and the following option tags are these. Okay, and it has come here, and then again it will go down and down, and there are total 42. You can see here. Okay, so this is how 42 tags are following. But as soon as I write here following sibling, then you can see that 1 out of 5 got selected. Why 5? Because the first one is this, second is this, third is this, fourth is this, and fifth is this. We can navigate over all of them. Okay, so why this happened? Because the following sibling only selects the option tag which are basically having the same parent as that of the reference node. Okay, or the node which you have selected as the reference node. So you can see here that that the reference node, which is option value is equals to VI, this particular XPath, okay, is denoting the reference node, has the same parent, and this select tag. Okay, this select tag over here, and these 5 values which the output is showing us also have the same select tag as parent. So the following siblings select the option tag or the tag specified by you which has the same parent, but the following selects the tag specified by you which are following that particular reference node throughout the web page. Okay, so this is what following and following sibling method are, and this is how we use it. So I hope that the following and following sibling methods are very clear to you after seeing the example. So we will meet in the next video with some new concept. So till then, keep learning and keep watching. Thank you.